सो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने मल्चिंग देखे और टॉप ड्रेसिंग, राइट? Mulching, it is one of the important garden operation. It consists of layer of mulch applied to soil surface around the base of the planting. Okay, जिसमें हमने purpose of mulch देखे और time of mulching. ये दो पॉइंट्स पढ़े हमने mulching के अंदर. नेक्स्ट है top dressing. It is also one of the important garden operation. It is common practice to enrich the soil from time to time since initial amount of fertilizer is not sufficient for a rapidly growing plants. Okay, top dressing देखे हमने. Now I start branching. So branching, it is a major horticultural practice to remove after growing branches, twigs, shoots, roots. Okay, what is branching? Branching is a major horticultural practice to remove after growing branches, twigs, shoots, or roots. It is acquired through a skill, experience, and practice. Acquired through a skill, experience, and practice means branches are the similar member of the stems. The axillary buds develop into a branches by the elongation of the internodes accompanied by enlargement and expansion of the leaves. The mode of arrangement of the branches is called as a branching. What is branching? The mode of arrangement of ब्रांचेस मीन्स जो हम अरेंजमेंट करते हैं ब्रांचेस के स्टेम्स को कट करते हैं, उनको शेप देते हैं, उनको स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट शेप्स में जो कट करेंगे, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रांचिंग. सो द मोड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ब्रांचेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रांचिंग. ओके, देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रांचिंग. ब्रांचिंग में भी दो टाइप्स होते हैं, एक होता है लैटरल एंड अदर इज अ डाइकोटोमस. Lateral branching and dichotomous branching. Okay, so lateral branching means it in lateral branching the axillary bud laying laterally or a sideways. जो axillary bud होंगी वो laterally or a sideways होंगी. So in lateral branching the axillary bud laying laterally or a sideways go on producing branches in acropetal order. Lateral branching again may be racemose or a indefinite and cymose or a definite. Okay, lateral branching again may be racemose or a indefinite, cymose or a definite. Then dichotomous branching, it is common only in a lower plants. Dichotomous branching जो है वो common किस में only in a lower plants means cryptogames. Lower plants में होंगे means cryptogames where the growing point bifurcates or divides. Okay, growing point bifurcate means divides into a two equally vigorous parts. जो ग्रोइंग पॉइंट होगा वो क्या होगा, दो इसमें इक्वल पार्ट में वो डिवाइड होता है. किसमें? क्रिप्टोगेम्स में. जो डाइकोटोमस ब्रांचिंग होंगी उसका जो बेसल पार्ट होता है वो दोनों ब्रांचेस बेस से ही क्या होंगे, इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड होते. सो इट इज अ कॉमन ओनली इन लोअर प्लांट्स मीन्स क्रिप्टोगेम्स वेयर द ग्रोइंग पॉइंट्स bifurcate or divides into two equal vigorous parts. The branches behave in the same manner. An example is Lycopodium. Lycopodium is an example of dichotomous branching. Okay. आया समझ में? So
हाँ
what is
भैया।
branch? What is branching in plants? Means branching depend on which plant species is considered. Means branching may be apical, lateral, or exogenous. Exogenous means case of stems or endogenous means case of root. Continuous or a rhythmic, immediate tropical plants or a delayed plant of temperate climate, spontaneous or a traumatic. Okay, means branches are the similar member of the stems. The axillary bud develop into a branches by the elongation of the internodes accompanied by enlargement and expansion of the leaves. The mode of arrangement of the branches is called as a branching. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज ब्रांचिंग, तो क्या आंसर आएगा उसका कि द मोड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ब्रांचेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रांचिंग. अगर आप चाहते तो आप वहाँ पे ऐड भी कर सकते हैं ये पॉइंट. द मोड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ब्रांचेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रांचिंग. ओके, फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये डाल सकते हैं. देन व्हाई ब्रांचिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन प्लांट. बोलो. I'm explain what is branching, right? So tell me, why is branching important in plants? Yes, bolo. Why is branching important in plants? Branching is a key determinant of plant shape, right? Branching is a key determinant of a plant shape because of sensitivity to environmental factor. Branching is highly plastic, means when grow in a dense stand, a plant can produce a single branchless stem. Plant can produce a single branchless stem, whereas when grown solitary, the same plant can produce numerous branches resulting in a bushy habit. Okay, that's why branching is very important in plants. So tell me, how many types of branching are there? मैंने कौन से टाइप्स एक्सप्लेन किए अभी आप लोगों को? I'm explained two types of branching, right? First is a lateral and other is a dichotomous. Okay, what is branching and importance of branching? वहाँ पे है नहीं points, important of branching and types of branching. So there are, first is a lateral and dichotomous. Lateral means lateral branching, the axillary bud laying laterally or a sideways grow on a producing branches in acropetal order. Lateral branching again may be racemose or indefinite, or cymose or a definite. And dichotomous branching means it is a common only in lower plants, means cryptogames, where the growing point um, bifurcate or divide into two equally vigorous parts. The branches behave in the same manner. For example, क्या बताई हूँ मैंने? What is example of dichotomous branching? बोलो. Lycopodium बोली ना? So dichotomous branching example is a Lycopodium. Okay. Then purpose of branching, majority of plant are allowed to grow under normal control. Majority of the ornamental plants are grow under a normal control condition because full size trees growing in any proportion or and looks ugly, right? अगर हम ब्रांचेस को कट करते शेप में तो कैसे लगेंगे, ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, बट किसी भी शेप में तो कैसे लगेगा, लुक्स अगली. सो बिकॉज फुल साइज ट्री ग्रोइंग इन एनी प्रपोर्शन, जो बिग ट्रीज होते हैं वो किसी भी वे में ग्रो होते हैं ना, so it occupies a lot of space in gardens. Plant when raised in pots to get a bushy appearance, grown at a manageable size. Okay, then technique of branching, it is essential to know how and when to branch, as every plant doesn't require extensive branching. Branching technique होती है, so it is essential to know how and when to branch, as every plant doesn't require extensive branching, hence necessary knowledge and good judgment आर रिक्वायर्ड बिफोर अ ब्रांचिंग. हमें ब्रांचिंग करने से पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि नॉलेज होना चाहिए एंड गुड जजमेंट होने चाहिए. ओके, तो ब्रांचिंग कब करनी चाहिए, कहाँ से स्टेम्स को कट करना चाहिए. सो नेसेसरी नॉलेज एंड गुड जजमेंट आर रिक्वायर्ड बिफोर ब्रांचिंग. Then precaution, an internodal cut should be avoided as it results in die. Means internodal cut should be avoided as result क्या होगा, in die bark to next node forming a bad loop. So terminal branches, birds are removed to get a more auxiliary branches. Terminal branches or a birds are removed to get a more auxiliary branches. Branching is to be done in December. ओके, यहाँ पे हमको नॉलेज एंड गुड जजमेंट होना चाहिए. सो ब्रांचिंग इज टू बी डन इन December, early January as growth in minimum. And shaping, by chopping plants such as bignonia, then geranium and foliage plants can be shaped into a various shapes as a table, chair, etc. Okay, so these are the precaution of branching. Then next point is a transplantation. So what is transplantation? ये टॉपिक पहले भी हो चुका है आपका. So tell me, what is transplantation?
The process of taking an outer or living tissue and implanting it in another part of the plant body.
Okay. So transplantation is a process. Process of transplantation consists of moving plant from one place to another. Okay. So transplant in horticulture, plant or a tree remove from one location and reset in the ground at another. हम क्या करते हैं, प्लांट और अ ट्री रिमूव करते फ्रॉम वन लोकेशन एंड रीसेट करेंगे उसको, रीसेट इन द ग्राउंड एट अनदर. मोस्ट स्मॉल deciduous trees may be moved with no soil attached to their roots. Trees of more than 7.5 centimeter, means 3 inches in trunk diameter, however, are best moved bald and burlapped, that is, with a ball of earth enclosing the roots held in a place with burlap. The tree is usually set out at approximately the depth is stored before a mowing, and planting is done as quickly as possible after a digging. protecting the roots from sun and wind and keeping them moist. Holes must be wide and deep enough to permit the root to spread naturally or in the case of balled and burlap stalk. मैंने आपको इससे पहले भी एक्सप्लेन की थी कि बॉल्ड एंड बर्लैप क्या होता है. जब हम प्लांट को रिमूव करते हैं उसके साथ में थोड़ी सॉइल भी होती है ना. ऐसा बॉल टाइप में हम ओनली रूट को नहीं निकालेंगे, उसके साइड की जो सॉइल होती है उसके साथ में उसको निकालते हैं और जूट का जो बर्लैप होता है उससे उसको कवर करते हैं. It is a ball and burlap. So to receive the ball, the hole is filled around the transplanted tree with a fertile soil of a good texture, worked around the root and tamped to eliminate air pocket. Then a shallow saucer-like depression is formed around the trees to retain a water. Trees that are transplanted in the fall should be mulched. जो हम ट्री ट्रांसप्लांट कर रहे शुड बी मल्च विथ 10 to 12.5 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ स्ट्रॉ मॉइस्ट लीफ. यहाँ पे क्या यूज हुआ है मल्च के लिए? straw moist leaf. So trees that are transplanted in the fall should be mulched with 10 to 12.5 centimeter of straw moist leaf, or broken or a damaged branches should be pruned in preparing a native tree for a transplantation. Both top growth and root should be pruned back. The trunk is wrapped with a tree. Wrap paper is to prevent damage from a borer, animals, or a windburn. So, vegetable and flowers that have been started indoor may be transplanted. Mostly vegetable transplanted होती है. So, vegetable and flower that have been started indoor may be transplanted when all danger of frost has passed. Plant must be handled carefully to avoid a shock. Seedlings are hardened up for a day or a two outside before transplanting. A day that is cloudy or a rainy, windless, and cool is ideal for a transplanting garden plants. The root must be kept moist and intake newly transplanted small plants require a few days of protection from a direct sunlight. Okay, this is a transplantation. So what is transplantation? The process of removing a plant from the place where it has been growing and replanting it in another is called as a transplantation. Tomato and a paddy are an example of crop grown by a transplantation. Okay, example क्या है उसकी? Tomato और a paddy. So advantages. What is the advantage? What are the advantage of transplantation? The process of transplantation help in planting seedling at a proper distance from one another. Okay, this is the advantage of transplantation. Help in planting seedling at a proper distance from one another so that plant can get obtain adequate nutrient and sunlight. The process of transplantation help only healthy seedling for the cultivation of crop. ये भी एक advantage है. By transplantation help to select only a healthy seedling for the cultivation of crop is the advantage of transplantation. Okay, so process of transplantation consists of moving plant from one place to another with the intention of having them planted in new location for their continued growth. Transplanting is important in growing of vegetable, crop, flowers and fruits. Then methods of transplantation, there are three major methods. Three methods है bare rooted method, shifting method, ball and burlapping method. So first is a bare rooted method of transplanting, seedling is removed with root. Seedling remove होती है root के साथ में. bare rooted method में seedling is removed with a root and replanted in a new location. इसको न्यू लोकेशन में रीप्लांट किया जाता है. इज अ bare rooted method of transplantation. Means seedling is removed with root and replanted in a new location. Next method is a shifting. Means plants are initially grown in polythene bags. Plants क्या होंगे? Initially grown in a polythene bags, pots, containers, etc. They moved intact to a new location. यहाँ पे प्लांट्स जो है वो पॉलीथीन बैग्स में या पॉट्स कंटेनर में ग्रो किए जाते हैं. तो प्लांट्स आर इनिशियली ग्रोन इन पॉलीथीन बैग्स, पॉट्स, कंटेनर एक्सेट्रा. दे मूव इनटेक टू न्यू लोकेशन. और वो बैग्स क्या करते हैं बाद में न्यू लोकेशन में उसको ग्रो किया जाता है. इज अ शिफ्टिंग. Next is the ball and burlapping method. Means plant are dug to include main rooted in front in ball of earth. Okay, plant are dug to include a main rooted in front in ball of earth which is supported by burlap. Burlap से उसको support किया जाता है. जो ball of earth होगा, जो रूट के साथ में सॉइल होती है, इज अ बॉल ऑफ अर्थ. सो उसको बर्लैप से कवर किया जाता है, सपोर्ट दिया जाता है. मीन्स वो बर्लैप जूट का हो सकता है. So this method is commonly used for a seedling for a evergreen plants and also for a deciduous species during a growing season. Okay, so method of transplanting, there are three major methods. First is a bare rooted method of transplanting, then shifting, ball and burlapping methods. आया समझ में सबको? मैंने दो पॉइंट्स आज एक्सप्लेन किए. फर्स्ट इज अ ब्रांचिंग, अनदर इज अ ट्रांसप्लांटेशन. सो व्हाट इज ब्रांचिंग? What is branching? I am asking a question. The mode of arrangement of the branches is called as a branching. Okay, समझ में आया है सबको? So watch this video. समझ में आया सबको? व्हाट इज ट्रांसप्लांटेशन? कोई डाउट है? ओके, वी शुड स्टॉप हियर। थैंक यू।